Biscuits brands from different countries: Hungary, Pelo Pita, Ireland, Polo, Switzerland, Camberley, Czech Republic, Ordart Baby, Rodini, Japan, Namuro Millet, Ukraine, Yarishish Crackers, UAE, Naughty Bites, Romania, Peanuts Biscuits, Belgium, Biscoff, Poland, Delizigi, Germany, Leibniz, Sri Lanka, Sun Crackers, Scotland, Digestive Biscuits, South Korea, Beninch, Thailand, Bisini, Australia, Horners, Israel, Cadam, Morocco, Peppo, Saudi Arabia, Dima, Vietnam, Cozy Mary, Sweden, Barago, Malaysia, Lagos, Turkey, Turkotan, UK, Jamie Dodgers, Italy, Molino Bianco,